So other than getting access to your plug, the only real trick is to get this notch lined up when you slide it through the hole. And once you do that, then you put your plastic washer back on it and screw it tight. Pieces are starting to arrive. Well, I'm going to install the key ignition, so get it out of this box here, and then I have to figure out which two wires it plugs into. So it's only a 2-wire system, and they're really easy to bypass. If you just connect the white and brown together, that bypasses your key. So it's essentially key on all the time. The new one's going to plug into here, so I'm going to get it mounted in the hole, run the wire down, and just plug them into those two, and that should solve my key ignition problem. Well, just take out a couple of screws and you should be able to just tuck it in through this hole, put the plastic washer or the plastic bolt, we'll get that right yet, and then plug it in and your key's on, put your screws back in. It's a pretty simple job.